Hi, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can create a profile backlink on sites.google.com. So let's get started. First go to sites.google.com. Now click on this plus icon. Write your website or business name here. Press enter and write a little bio. Let's copy, paste here. Now let's add the link. Let's copy the link, paste here. You can also change the background image. Click upload. You can enter the site name here. Let me write Decorous. Now click on publish. Let's write the web address. So I'll just write Decorous. It's already taken, so let's write Decorous interior design. This is available. Now click on publish. Click on view. Your profile backlink is now ready. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more SEO tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you next time.